Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today I'm going to be showing you not one, but two ways to install a dash cam on your 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Let's go. Alright, so what I have here are two different products by Dongar. We've got a 10-pin adapter in my left hand and a 5-pin rooftop connector in my right. So let's take a quick look at our first option. It's a 10-pin Type B dash cam power adapter. This option will work if your Tacoma is equipped with an auto-dimming rearview mirror. The adapter design is sleek with 3 points of connection. We've got the 10-pin head, which goes into your vehicle's port, the 10-pin receptacle, and the USB module. Moving on to installation, we'll first start by tilting the mirror down for better access to the plastic shroud. Simply pull down the smaller piece here and slide the bigger panel off by pushing down and away from you. This is the connector we need access to. Let's disconnect this by pushing down on the tab and pulling straight out. Now, let's install our Dongar adapter. We'll connect this end into the vehicle port and this end into the original cable. Power on the vehicle and connect the USB powered dash cam to the USB module. Once we've ensured the dash cam powers up, we can wrap things up by tidying up the cables and adhering our dash cam to a nice clean spot on the windshield. And this one right here is the 5-pin rooftop connector, compatible with the 4th gen Tacoma. Unlike the first option, it does not require an auto-dimming mirror in order to work with your truck. Now, to install this adapter, we'll need to remove the overhead console. To do this, simply place your fingers at the front of the assembly and pull straight down. The assembly won't drop down until we disconnect the harness seen here. Disconnecting the harness is optional, as you could work around the console dangling, but trust me when I say it's a lot easier with it out of the way. With this out of the way, we have a clear visual on the connector port seen here. Let's go ahead and connect the Dongar adapter to this port. Turn on the vehicle and a blue LED should light up within the USB module. This indicates the unit is receiving power. Now let's connect the USB cable going to our dash cam and tuck this end of the connector away. I'm now going to fish the USB cable through the headliner and have it dangle just enough to attach to my dash cam. Before reassembling everything, let's connect our dash cam to ensure it fires up. And once confirmed, find a nice clean spot on the windshield for your dash cam and you are done. And remember, if you've got or are interested in a dual lens camera like this one, be sure to install it in a spot that offers best visibility outside and in. That's it for today, guys. It really is that simple to install a dash cam on your 2024 Tacoma, especially with these Dongar adapters. So be sure to check them out if you're in the market for a dash cam. And cheers. Drive safe, y'all. Peace.